everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So, I am now moving on over to my orders, y'all. The event that I was going to do on the 23rd, I had to cancel because that is a Friday. I thought it was a Saturday. But y'all know I work Monday through Friday, so I'm not going to be able to do that event. I'm going to check to see if my daughter wants to do that event for possible graduation gifts or things like that. But as of right now, I've had to cancel that. So I'm going to let her decide in the next couple of days and then go from there. So I am working on the next thing, which is an order that I have due on the 3rd of June. I have put together this little gift basket, and this is going to be a graduation gift for a nurse practitioner. All right, and her colors are reds and blacks. So I will show you. The basket is not put together yet, but I will show you the items that I have come up with to go in this basket. Let me get y'all up here right. Okay, so I had one of these little Hallmark bears, and this is one without the cap and tassel, but I do have some gift box hat sets. So I'm going to see if I can turn one of those into a hat for the little bear. Otherwise, he'll be hatless, alright? So we're going to put the little bear in there. She said that her colors were red and black. Alright, so we're going to go with the red perfume set. Alright, and this is the set from City Trends. Has the Glossy Chic, Diva Girl Shine, and the Darling perfume in it. So we'll use these 3 perfumes since she is partial to red. Right. I also have a cup for her. This is one of the cups that gives you the temperature of your drink. Right. We will give her one of those. And on the cup I did put a transfer on there. Right. And this is really cute. Alright, it says smart, beautiful, black, sexy, gorgeous, amazing, powerful, wonderful, dope queen. So that is what that is looking like. Alright, I also have one of the black makeup bags. And I put a decal on that so that these two could kind of bring the concept together for her. Alright, and this one just says, even in the midst of my storm, I see God working it out for me. Alright, she is graduating from nurse practitioner school, which is not an easy feat. It is a tough program, y'all. It's one that I have completed as well. So I know what she has gone through to get through that program. Alright, I have also included this red hearted journal, and it is very cute. It has a matching card that goes with it, and it's just regular notebook paper. Alright, and I have put these little sticky notes in there so that I have to basically tag the gifts that are going into this container so that they don't get put somewhere else. I tagged her name on here so we know who this gift is for. Alright, I'm going to include just the Pro Silk body wash. Alright, and this is the Moonflower scent. Alright, I'm also going to do the Moonlight perfume, and this is from Rainbow. And I'm going to include the Dr. Teal's body lotion also in this basket for her. Alright, and then we're going to include this red pocketbook. Alright, very nice little purse to go in the basket. So right now I just have all of her items sitting in the basket. Alright, and I will put the basket together very soon. All right, so I think that this is going to be a really nice graduation basket for her. It will be very relaxing for her, and I think she's going to really like it. So I'm getting that order together. Then I will be working on a sip and paint order that will also be going out next month. It is a little bit later on, but I'm going to get started on it as well as soon as I have some items that I have ordered for this to come in. So y'all tell me what you think about this basket and the items that I'm going to put in here. Any items you would change? Maybe you'd do something a little bit differently. Tell me what you think. And I'll take into consideration your suggestions and see if we can make them work, y'all. So in the meantime, in between time, you all be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting.